Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to spot errors on your Credit Karma account quickly and effectively. Let's get started. First, log into your Credit Karma account on their website or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to Credit Scores or Credit Report section to view your current reports. Identify any errors like incorrect personal info, accounts you don't recognize, or wrong payment status. Click on the Despite icon and next to them you want to change. You will be guided to provide details about the error, be specific and include any supporting documents like statements or receipts or to strengthen your case. Submit your disputes directly through Credit Karma. They will forward it to the relevant credit bureau, Keyfax or TransUnion. You can also track the status of your dispute right in the app. Remember, disputing errors won't hurt your credit score, and it's completely free. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have successfully disputed errors before. And thanks for watching. See you in the next time.